Good morning, everybody. It's week 36, Monday asynchronous work. Our intro. Consider each solution statement. Compare the solution statements. What does each mean? Okay, well, we have x equals 2. So, x equals that number. So, at 2, the value, this is what x is equal to. It's at 2. If we have x is less than 2, that means it's every number, but not including 2. If x is bigger than, I think I'm going to have to write the space somewhere else, like right here. If x is bigger than 2, then it's kind of the opposite, almost. It means every number bigger than 2, but not including 2. The final two right here, we have x, let's write this. X is less than or equal to 2, and we have x is bigger than, greater than, or equal to 2. Well, in these cases, these would include, they'd be closed circles going bigger, and then closed circle going in the fewer direction, the less than direction, smaller direction. All right, let's go on. It says choose a solution statement and write a scenario to represent it. Then modify the scenario so that the resulting interpretation is one of the other solution statements. Okay. So why don't you pause right now and you try your own. I'm going to write mine. I'm going to put a space for my work, and I'm going to look for your work. So pause, and we're going to go on in 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. So here's my solution, or here's mine. I'm going to say at least 2 pounds of turkey are being cooked today. So here we go. I'm going to type this out and say at least 2 pounds of ground turkey, because we want to be healthy, because like ground beef, not so good. Ground turkey, it's less fatty, it's better for you, but that's besides the point. We're doing math. At least 2 pounds of ground turkey are being for tonight's dinner. Tonight's dinner. What is this one? All right, well, this one would look like, so you guys should make your own, okay? So this one would be, we have 1 and 2. 3. Well, now go back. Yeah. 3. So I know that it's going to be at least 2 or more. So let's erase that. There we go. So it's 2 or more. It's at least 2 or more. All right, well, let's change the scenario. Less than 2 pounds is being cooked. So I'm going to use a different color. I'm going to say less than 2 pounds of ground turkey need to be cooked to feed us. I changed a little bit. It's still the same, like we're cooking it for today's dinner, but it's a little bit different. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to make sure I draw my line. I should have used the line tool. Here's 2, here's 3, and less than is going to be not equal and less than. So it's going to go as close to 2 as possible, but not included. All right, guys, for yours, I want you to pick one of the above scenarios and come up with a real world scenario. And you might need to make sure you can use continuous data. I was thinking like 2 cows, but then I was like, well, can you have 2.5 cows? So that's why I went ground turkey. All right, guys. Good luck with this week's worth. I'll see you guys later. Bye.